On this day, 27 years ago, a 16-year-old boy disappeared near the shores of Crown Point. His body pulled from the water a day later. As ABC 10 News reporter Michael Chen tells us, his mother is now hoping to make a state law that bears her son's name a federal one.
It was a wrenching scene on Crown Point 27 years ago. Patricia Ward clutching her son's shoe. The next day, the body of 16-year-old Curtis Williamson pulled from the water.
I still feel the same feeling that I did, lost, pain.
Initially ruled an accidental drowning, Ward spent the next 2 decades compiling evidence that pointed to a dispute at the beach. And in 2017, the medical examiner's office changed the manner of death to homicide. Ward, who now lives in Florida, became a victim advocate. Last year, she helped pass Curtis's Law in California, which allows for more access to investigative records for immediate family in criminal cases involving minors.
I can see the light. I have a little bit of taste of that knowledge of what's going on. So if I know that they are working on it, I can sleep.
Ward now hoping to make Curtis's Law a federal law, launching an online petition drive to gather support. Her focus, more transparency in FBI investigations involving kids.
Homicide, overdose, missing children, all that's in the one.
Recently, Ward returned to San Diego to push her efforts. Backed by victims' rights advocates and emotional, Ward watched as a tree was planted at Crown Point Park in her son's honor.
Curtis Law was made to help the families navigate through the system, and this tree is going to represent all that.
Ward now trying to raise money for a memorial bench, which would bear this plaque to create awareness for Curtis's still open homicide case, as well as Curtis's Law. It's a law one mom hopes will soon expand, 27 years after her son's death in the waters of Mission Bay. Michael Chen, ABC 10 News.
After collecting online signatures, Ward hopes to present them to members of Congress from California in hopes of introducing a bill. And if you would like more information on the petition and Memorial Bench campaign, there are links on our homepage, 10news.com.